welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title of today's video, we are going to be trying out for the very first time this little fella right here. No, oh, not even in frame. This guy. So this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I have mine in the shade Butter. So essentially I wanted to try this out to see if it was any better than the Coty Airspun powder that I use on a daily basis. I use two different powders to set my face. The other one that I use is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder, and I always put that underneath of my eyes just because it works so well for me. But during the Sephora VIB sale that happened a hot minute ago, I went ahead and picked up the mini version of this in case I didn't like it. And I have yet to try it out. Don't ask. Don't ask. Okay, so I already have on my foundation, concealer, cream, contour, all that good stuff because I wanted to make this video nice and short and sweet and get it straight to the point of testing out the product. So I'm just gonna, oh wait, no, I think there's a sponge in here. Ay. Oh, the tiniest of all sponges. Okay, I mean, it's got a lot of product on there, that little guy. You see that? Woo! Okay. It doesn't smell like butter. I don't know why I thought it did. Or would. Help me. I don't know how to fit this tiny little sponge on my fingers. That's adorable. That is the most adorable thing I've ever seen. Okay, so I'm just going to focus on setting my face, not my under eyes, because we've seen me do that before. I'm not using anything new. So you guys know how I do it. I always yank my forehead skin back. Oh, it is just floofing all in my mouth. Oh. This would probably be better if I had a bigger sponge. And the camera were in focus. Hi, would you like to focus? Would you like to play along, please? I cannot get over this tiny sponge. It's super soft though. Like, I really like that part. It's almost like velvety, the little spongy man. I really do wish I had a bigger sponge. This is taking so long. But it's looking good, or at least I think so. Alright, so let's kind of take this and pour some into the cap. Like that. Holy moly, the entire thing is full. Oh, I've made a mistake. I have made a mistake. Can you see that? That is a haul full. Oops. Oh god. Oh no. I've just created. Oh boy. Okay, now I'm turning into Patrick Star. Oh boy. This is a messy product. Oh boy. First impression is this stuff is soft. That is very soft. I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes before they crease anymore. I do look a little crazy, but let me go ahead and use my foundation powder, and we'll see how it holds up with everything. So far, I really like how soft my face looks. It does kind of give a little bit of a white cast, but so does my Coty Airspun powder, so that's not new. So, hang on, and I'm going to, Hello! Okay, so what do you guys think? How does the skin look? I think it looks flawless. Like, woo! Ignore this hair. This is a nonsensical mess. And I have a mosquito bite on my forehead. Thanks, nature. Love you. But my skin looks flawless. It's buttery, just like the name. I really like that powder. But would I say it's better than Coty Airspun? No. Sure wouldn't. Because I feel like I can achieve this fresh looking skin look, this flawless skin look, with the powder that I currently use, which is like $6 at Walmart. That tiny little thing that I bought was $18. I mean, I'm obviously going to use it because I did purchase it and I do really like it. However, I will probably not purchase it again just because I feel like my Coty Airspun works just the same. It gives me the exact same result. At the end of the day, I'm just looking for the end result. How does it look? How do I feel? Etc. And truthfully, I feel like I can easily achieve this type of complexion with the Coty Airspun. So those are my honest thoughts and review on the Fenty Pro Filter Translucent Powder something or other. Why are their names for her products so long? That's another question I have. Regardless, I really do like the product. If you have the extra cash sitting around and would be interested in trying it, then I definitely suggest it. However, if you're balling on a budget like your girl here, I wouldn't waste the money. Thanks so much for tuning into this video, guys. I really do appreciate it. Do not forget to subscribe. The button to do so is right down below. Click that notification bell right next to it so you get notified every single time that I upload. And I think that's going to be it. Oh, I mean, like the video. Hello. Hi. Don't forget to do that. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. you there. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, bye!